for today's story? We're sure you are. The story for today is titled The Tortoise and the Bird. Relax and enjoy while we read the story for you. The Tortoise and the Bird. A tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly. "What a shabby home you have. It is made of broken twigs, has no roof, and looks crude. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest."
"Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the elements of nature. It is crude, but I built it and I like it. I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine," said the tortoise. "You must be jealous of my shell, though."
On the contrary, the bird replied, "My home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home," said the bird happily.
"Better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion."
The end. That was the story of the tortoise and the bird. Hope you understood the story and learned something from it. See you in our next video. Bye!